Hello, in this video, I am going to show you how to place a stop limit order. So maybe just a few basics that I did cover in the previous videos, but we on the market exchange. So we're going to be trading the Ethereum ZAR pair because I'm based in South Africa. And if you have a look, we've got our chart. And on this chart, looking at a time frame of 1 hour, so each bar, which is called a candlestick, represents a trading period of 1 hour. So if you have a look as well, you can see the market over time is quite volatile. So you can see one of the previous highs that we had, which was on the 7th of June, was sitting close to 40,000 Rand. And currently, today is the 10th of June. 3 days later, the market is sitting at roughly 34,239 Rand. So it has dropped quite a bit. So that's the beauty of crypto. In the volatility, that's where the opportunity lies. And more specifically, let's have a look at the different order types, and that's where we can benefit to the maximum. So in the previous videos, I spoke about, let's go to the right-hand side of the different types of orders. So I spoke about the market order, the limit order, and today I am going to speak to you about the stop limit order. So we can either buy in the buying tab or the sell. We click the sell tab, and the functionality works pretty much the same. So let's go and have a look. I'm going to look at a buy order, a stop limit buy order today. So let's click on the stop limit tab. So it is a little bit more intricate than the market order and the limit order. So basically what it is, it's a if and but scenario, and it's programming in our order for certain eventualities. And it is very helpful in the fact that it helps us maximize our profit if we are selling, or it helps us buy at better prices where we can pre-program an order to get into the system. So let's have a look here. If we look at the order book, see all the red values are the sellers that are selling Ethereum to us. So as an example, this particular seller, the lowest price for selling is 34,300. And all the green orders in the order book are the buyers that are prepared to buy at a particular price. So the best buying price currently is sitting at 34,153, and the spread is the difference in price between the price that the seller is prepared to offer and the price that the buyer is prepared to accept. So once the seller and the buyer are in agreement and they agree on the same price, the spread becomes zero and the trade will activate. So let's go ahead and place a stop limit order. So effectively what we are doing with a stop limit order, so say if we want to buy, so we want to buy Ethereum. So currently these are what prices the different buyers are prepared to buy at. So let's have a look at our graph and try and get some idea as to what price is a good price to buy. So currently the market's sitting here, roughly around 34,200. But if you have a look at the graph, one of the big things in trading is the word retracement, which is quite a fantastic word. The market very often retraces back to previous values. So if we have a look, the market previously did go to a range of 33,283 previously. So the chances are pretty good that the market might revisit those prices. So let's say currently the market's sitting at 34,186. So I don't want to pay 34,186, but I want to pay more in the region of 33,000 and some change. So let's see if we can program it to do a trade at that particular price. So let's try and set it in the middle range so we stand a better chance of getting it at that price. So we won't go to the bottom end of the price, which is pretty much 33,283, but let's set it at the value in the mid range of, let's make it 33,845 as an example. So we're going to say we want to pay a price of 33,845. That is the price we want to buy at. But what happens is the whole point of this limit order. So normally, if we saw the price going towards that value of 33,845, and by the time we log on to our computer or we get into the system and go and try and place the order, the price might have gone up again and we missed the opportunity, or it already went down and came back up again. So by using a limit order, so we've set our limit price at 33,845 Rand. So basically, when the price hits that amount, our trade will activate and buy. So I said to you that what happens is when but we want to place an order, don't have enough time to set the order, etc. So that's when the stop limit order comes into good use, because we are going to now program the stop price. So basically, what the stop price will do, it will program the order to go into the order book. So not the price to buy at, but it's a price where it'll program the order to go into the order book. So when the market moves quickly, the order is already in the order book and you don't miss out on the opportunity of hitting your buying price. So let's go ahead and look at what price we want to put the stop price at. So we want to buy at 33,845. So let's say only when the market price goes to 33,950 must the order go into the order book. So let's go ahead and say what amount would we like to buy. So at the moment our ZAR wallet has 650 Rand. So we want to leave some more money to buy Bitcoin. So let's say we want to do another 300 Rand worth of Ethereum. So let's go ahead, and you will notice that the fee for this is because we're creating liquidity in the system and we become a market maker, we're not paying any fee. So let's go ahead and click buy. So let's understand what it says. Placing a stop limit buy order. You will place a buy order of ETH at a price of 33,845 ETH when the price reaches 33,950. So once the price reaches 33,950, the order will go into the system and activate once our 33,845 market price is reached. So let's go ahead and place order. So you can see now the order is waiting to be activated. So once the price reaches 33,950, it will get into the system and we shall see. So I am going to stop the video and we will see when the price reaches our amount of 33,845, it should activate the buy, and I will update you on it. So thank you.